up. So Station A, you have some specimens, and then there's some audio equipment, and then
Envirothon is an environmental competition for high school kids where they get to learn about ecosystems in four categories.
Because we all knew a certain topic, we kind of learned from everyone else of that topic. But forestry was most definitely the most interesting one.
Well, it's taught me a lot about water quality conservation and why it's important how water is one of the basis of life, and that to keep the environment healthy, we have to keep the water healthy.
I like learning about the environment in different ways so we can help, or how our generations are impacting the earth.
I think it was fun how everybody got together and just learned a bunch of stuff about the environment, and how all the activities that we did, they were well planned, and it was just a fun time to participate in it.
Not only learning about the environment, but meeting all these new people from different schools.
JDI is proud to be involved in Envirothon. We've been working with New Brunswick Envirothon for the last 12 or 13 years now, and we're proud to host here in St. John at the Irving Nature Park, and even prouder to see these young students come through because they're our future. They're the future stewards of the forest, and very pleased with the progress that they make in learning about the environment.
So the winner of the competition this weekend will win this plaque, plus they will get to go to the North American Envirothon, which is in Montana, for 2013.